Don't you come back no more. Oh, woo, woo, woo. We made a fool of ourselves, and everyone knows that. That's fine. I don't care. You care?
Oh, wait, there's people over there. They heard us.
I don't care.
They
Let's
heard
sing
us.
louder.
Hit the road, Jack.
Come on, Jack, sing
and
it.
don't you come back no more, no more, no more.
Oh! We need a remote.
Huh?
We need a remote. Because all day today we're doing the pause challenge, guys. Is that what it's called? The pause challenge? Is it just stop?
Okay, so
Like that? Yeah.
we gotta get the remote.
I'll get the remote.
I really didn't want to walk up the stairs again. There's a dog. Are you scared?
You're really telling me? Oh my God, it's a dog. Everyone, shut up. Shut up. It's a dog. Bye, dog. See ya. See you later.
Nice views.
You like it?
Stupid. So back to the beginning, right? Because this is where we were just at.
Yeah. We were here. I don't have the key.
And why is that?
Because you have the key.
No, why are we back here?
Oh. We left the remote. And that's the main thing that we need for the pause challenge.
Yes, I think so.
You want to get a Roku remote?
Yeah, it's nice and small. Concealable.
This is perfect. Welcome to our casa.
It's dirty.
It's not clean.
It's so dirty. You can't have the tour. No tours.
No tours. Close the door, close the door. Oh, I have the key.
Yes, you do, babe.
I was waiting for you, babe.
Yeah, that's why it reversed so far.
Oh, reverse?
Oh, that's cute.
Whoa.
Ooh, kill him.
Whoa.
Ooh, kill him, babe. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, you got that footwork, babe. Perfect shot.
But how would they see if I paused you?
Exactly, so I probably have to do it.
Okay, so basically to be testing it out, I'm walking, doing stuff, pause me, hurry, pause me.
How are you gonna tell me when to say pause? Well, I'll be seeing you later, babe.
Wow. You gonna do that?
Yep.
We just started.
Are you hot?
I'm very hot.
How does the black feel?
The sun's on me.
Okay, play.
Ladies and gentlemen. Do you notice that I say gentleman and
Gentle?
not gentle?
That's a new word.
Yeah. Who says gentleman? I say gentle.
I don't know.
Gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
Why, babe? And a wavy.
Ah!
Okay, yeah, it's sort of hot.
Everything was hot. Damn, I tried to get in the car and I just went to look pretty for 1 second.
It's super hot.
Yeah, I was waiting for some AC in this car.
Why is my phone?
I don't know, pause. I have the power.
Babe, that is so childish.
This is good to have the power.
Yeah, it's, my arm's burning.
Play.
This is gonna be quite an interesting day.
It is.
Pause.
Good job, feet. Good job.
Why do we need a bag for this?
Why do we need a bag for that?
That's what you do when you buy things, you get bags.
No, this is too big for a bag. Who has a bag this big?
I've seen those bags in Ross.
That's
Ross has bags for everything.
okay. Ross has everything. Ross has anything that's everything.
Literally.
Ladies and gentlemen, Asha Hampton.
Don't tell them my real name.
Rose Duveen. You don't like that name?
Rose Duveen, is that what you said?
Yeah, it's Rose Duveen. You don't want to know your real name.
That's dumb.
Well, you're dumb.
Do I look like a rose?
Yes.
Is that like a rose face?
You look like a rose right there.
Thought so too.
Now we're looking at TVs.
Wasn't it like a smart TV thing?
Yeah, I think so. Pause. I don't have a remote in my hand, so I have to do like this. So yeah, you just have to stand there and look like that. All right, I'm gonna TV shop though.
What about me?
Oh yeah, I'll let you know what I find.
Oh my.
Yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, so I got my ring light here. Handy dandy. We need that. We got the camera tripod. We got the camera.
Oh, right. The main thing?
The main thing is right in here. And we got the microphone. And then we got a TV. So your girl's gonna have some guns after this. Hold on, I already got some, babe. Hold on, you ready, babe?
Yeah, let me see.
Yo, hold on, let me see.
Don't kill him with it.
Watch out.
Don't kill him. Bam! That's nice, babe. Wow.
Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned. Huh?
You got a new camera?
Yes.
Hold it up. Like you're about to take a picture.
Oh.
Pause.
Huh?
Oh.
I paused. You heard me, right?
Yes.
Now you have to stay like that.
When can I move?
When I say play.
Okay. You're never gonna say that.
Nope. So you just have to stand there.
My eye hurts.
Your eye hurts? Shouldn't have put it so close to your face.
Sucker.
And play.
Oh man. That eye really cramped up.
Showing off. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy faster? What makes this happy faster? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Heal your sorrows, heal your. What makes this happy faster? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Heal your sorrows, heal your. What makes this happy faster? Showing off. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer.
Alright, I'm finally done after 500 years of doing hair.
Sound more enthusiastic.
I'm finally done after 50 years of doing hair.
Yeah,
Woo!
you love doing my
Yeah,
hair.
I love it so much. Okay, anyways, guys. So, if you guys have long hair and it's always in your face, you don't know what styles to do, this was clearly just 3 strand twists, AKA Plaits. It's pretty easy. So, go out there and knock them dead. Go out here and do this.
Yeah, I'm about
Woo.
to catch me one. See you guys.
She's gonna die.
Caught one.
You're dumb. But that's the end of this vlog / video.
Pause.
These nuts in your mouth. I'm joking. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Stay cool, stay fresh, stay locked. Peace out.